Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be solving a couple of questions from the topic geometry, and these two questions are a part of the PYQ. Basically they came in CAT 2002. So let's begin with the first question. The first question says that instead of walking along two adjacent sides of a rectangular field, a boy took a shortcut along the diagonal. Okay, so basically, instead of walking along the breadth and then along the length, or I can say instead of walking along the length and then walking along the breadth of the rectangle, the boy directly walked via the diagonal. Okay, and in doing so, he saved a distance equal to half the longer side. So basically, the distance that was saved is equal to half of the longer side. So we need to find the ratio of the shorter side to the longer side. This is also a very pretty easy question. Draw the rectangle. Suppose this is the rectangle, right? Okay. And this is B. So, and this is 90 degrees. So, suppose scenario case 1. Case 1 is, suppose initially the boy was at vertex D. So he will go from D to C, right? D to C, and then C to B. So like this, he will go from D to C and then B to C, right? Suppose the length is L and the breadth is B. So the distance, total distance covered will be, suppose D1. D1 will be equal to L plus B. In case 2, let us say from directly D to B. Case 2, D to B via diagonal DB. So now this is a right angle triangle, right? So suppose the distance D2, this is D2, suppose D2. What will be D2? D2 will be equal to L square plus B square under root, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, so as per the question, what is given? As per the question, that in case 2, the distance end is half of the length of the longer side, right? L is, suppose, let, this is just an assumption, okay? Let L is greater than B. So what is the distance saved here? Okay, the distance that is saved will be D1 minus D2. Obviously D2 will be less, right? Because this is a triangle. In a triangle, summation of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, right? So I can say L plus B is greater than D2, right? Now D1 minus D2 will be basically L plus B minus L square plus B square. This is the distance. I would write here distance saved, or that is the extra distance that he did not travel when he was traveling from D to B, will be basically the summation of the two distances, right? And as per the question, this is equal to half of the longer side. Simple. So this L by 2 will come to the left hand side, and I will get L by 2 plus B is equal to L square plus B square under root. Just squaring both sides, I will get L square by 4 plus 2AB, right? So LB plus B square is equal to L square plus B square. This B square got cancelled. So what I will get is L square will this L square by 4 will go to the right hand side. I will get 3L square by 4, which is equal to L into B. Now I can cancel L because L is not equal to 0, or I can bring that L to the left hand side and I will take L common. So 3L by 4 minus B equal to 0. Now L cannot be equal to 0, right? The length of the rectangle cannot be 0. So this will give me 3L by 4 equal to B, or I can say 3L, we write like this, equal to 0. 3L by 4 minus B equal to 0, or 3L by 4 will be equal to B. So I have to find the ratio of the length of the longer side to the shorter side. So L by B will give me 4 by 3. Let me first confirm what is the ratio asked. Then the ratio of the shorter side to the longer side. Okay, we are asked the reverse. So B by L will be 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4. This is the answer. Answer will be 3 by 4. Do we have any option? Yes. 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Very simple question. Okay. Let me move to the second question. The second question can be solved using coordinate geometry. So let me read the question. The question says that I have to find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given to me. Okay. See, you can find the area of this triangle using Heron's formula also. Since you know the three vertices of a triangle, you can find the basically lengths of each side of the triangle, and after you get the length of each side of the triangle, you can calculate the semi perimeter and then use Heron's formula to get the area. Okay, but in my opinion, that will be a bit lengthier from exam point of view. So I will solve this question using coordinate geometry. Okay, so I'll draw the coordinate axis. Okay, let me draw it freehand. Okay, let's say this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Okay, this is, they are obviously 90 degrees. So we are given, let's say we have a triangle ABC. Okay, A is equal to, not equal to, the vertex of A is A comma A. The vertex B is represented by the coordinate A plus 1 comma A plus 1. Okay, alright, and the vertex C is denoted represented by the coordinates A plus 2 comma A. Okay, it doesn't matter, okay, whether A is positive or negative. Okay, suppose this is the origin, right? 0 comma 0. So vertex A is A units. Suppose A is positive, so A will be, suppose A is here. Okay, this is A comma 0, and in the same in the direction, like vertical direction, this is suppose 0 comma A. So this point will be A comma A, right? this point will be a comma a, right? Then I have a plus 1 comma a plus 1. Suppose after moving one unit to the right hand side, I will get this is a plus 1 comma 0. Similarly, if I move one units above this point 0 comma a, I will get 0 comma a plus 1. All right, so this point will be a plus 1 comma a plus 1. So this is a, this is b. Now I already have a, right? This is a, this is a, so a plus 2 will be, suppose here a plus 2, right? This point is a plus 2, a plus 2 comma 0. Okay, and I already have the y coordinate of vertex c, which is a, right? So this is point, suppose this is in same line with vertex a, so this is a plus 2 comma a, right? Now I will join the vertex, right? See, it becomes very easier to find the area now. What will be the area? Area, this is a, no, this is a, right? A, B, C, area of triangle A, B, C. What will be the area? Half into base into height. Suppose this is the base, right? Obviously, this is the base. Half into base. Base is AC. What is the length of AC? Length of AC is coordinate of x coordinate of C, which is a plus 2 minus x coordinate of A, right, into the height. This is the perpendicular distance or the height, right? So what will be the height? The height will be y coordinate of B is a plus 1 minus y coordinate of A or y coordinate of C. What is this? This is half into a plus 2 minus a will get cancelled, this 2, again a and a will get cancelled into 1. So the area will be 1 unit square. Okay, 1 unit, 1 unit square area. So the correct answer will be option 2. All right, very simple question if you know coordinate geometry. If not, you can also use Heron's formula to find the area. Okay, I hope these two questions were helpful. If you like to watch solutions of detailed solutions of previous year questions from CAT and other MBA related exams, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.